Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will build a budget LS board using a $100 kit from Akko. I'll put the links or parts in the description below, so check them out if you're interested. And without further ado, let's get started. This is the Akko ACR Pro LS Plus bare bones. Inside the box, we have an extra aluminum plate and a case form for you to play with. And then we have the LS kit. The polycarbonate plate, power plate form, rubber switch pad, and the stabilizers are pre-installed already, so you don't have to assemble the board. And then we have some accessories. A core USB-C cable, adjustment feet but I don't know where should it place, an extra daughter board and some silicone gaskets, and lastly the keycap puller and the switch puller. The Akko ACR Pro LS Plus is a 65% keyboard in LS layout. The bare bone comes with a froze acrylic case with a gold-plated aluminum weight in Chinese-style engraving. The board is gasket mounted with some silicone gasket strip, or you can put pour-on gaskets on your own. For the plate, we have both polycarbonate and aluminum as choice, and they can be screwed to the PCB with 4 standoffs. And then we have the PCB. It is a north-facing hot swap PCB using TTC hot swap sockets. It uses Type-C daughter port connection at the top right-hand corner, so that the connection will not block the flexing plate. Other than that, the PCB mounted stabilizers are supported in this board, which is very great. That gives more choices in building the board. To build the board, we'll firstly work on the stabilizers. These are plate mounted stabilizers from the board. They are made of polymer material in milky and pink color. And you may see some black rubber at the bottom and inside the stem. That can reduce lot of rattlesnake coming out in stock, but I think it's a bit mushy when bottoming out. And of course, the wire is factory loop as well. I'm going to keep the stabilizers on this board, so I'm trying to make it better. I realized that the wires is a bit sharp on the edges, so I try to sand it down with a sandpaper. And then I loop the whole thing with Krytos 05 grade 0. Since the step can reduce a lot of rattle already, so no holy mod is needed. For the switches, I decided to be same as the preview board, using the Akko CS Clears looped with Krytos 05 grade 0. They cost $15 for 45 switches, so I got 2 pairs for this build. These are 3-pin linears and all parts are made of polycarbonate. You can hear a sharper sound and a stiffer bottom out. They use a longer springs compared to other CS switches with 43 gram accuracy force, 1.6 mm retravel and total travel of 4 mm. One thing I noticed that the Akko CS Clears improves in stem wobble from east and west direction. This is just my fault but not too obvious. It is slightly better than my Akko Ocean Blues. And for my keycaps, they're still shipping, so I'm going to use GMK Darling Clones. And now we can assemble the board. Since adding case form will lose some of the flesh, so I only use switch pad and power plate form for the build. And I will do a comparison between the polycarbonate and aluminum plate. And now we can install all the switches. And remember to connect the daughter board before closing the case. When everything was done, we can put on the keycaps. So what do I think about this board? Let's talk about things that I will find first. They gives a lot of stuff for me to play with, like extra plate, form, and even the gaskets. so I don't have to pay extra money in getting more accessories to mod the keyboard. The typing experience is very good as well. They gives a lot of flex even they use silicone gaskets. For the aesthetic and price, I think Akko already did a great job. It's definitely worth $100 for getting a very clean acrylic case with a metal weight. On top of that, I can see Akko pays a lot of effort in designing the stabilizers. They're pretty good in stock and I'm very surprised. However, there are two downsides that may bother you. The first one of course is the north-facing interference. You have to get some improved cherry keycaps or some taller profile keycaps to avoid the problem. It's very hard for me to tell what is improved cherry keycaps because you never know before you get it in hand. But they are basically redesigned in structure in order to avoid the north-facing interference. Another downside is sphere compatibility. The PCB doesn't support sphere, but I see Akko have their own software for you to set up the board. Other than that, I think it's a great board and glad that there are more budget LS boards coming out in the market. That's the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!